We are at Shanu by Blondie. That's my best friend from my interior college. So we are friends since 11 years.
Yeah,
No, more than 11 years, 13 years. And so Shanu by Blondie doesn't take reservations. So we are here at around 2:20, and first things we couldn't find the location. The Google Map location was completely off. We reached another place, and now finally it's actually at Bloom Hotel.
yeah,
Bloom
next
Hotel,
to it.
next to Bloom Hotel, or I think in the hotel only, part of it. And there is a waiting of, they said 1 hour. First they said half an hour, 1 hour. And lot of waiting, and it's quite hot today. Even though it's monsoon
I
season,
think they should
it's
have
very hot.
coolers outside or
Yeah,
something.
they should
I
have
don't
fans, coolers, and someone to
Yeah.
serve water here. So let's see what's there inside.
know.
Friend Naomi, and we are waiting over here. Janu. That's where they are writing the names. This is how it looks. And they have given us water, like 1 glass of water and a bottle. So the interiors, let's judge the interiors of the outdoor till we are sitting here. So this is literally a poster film that is put.
Yeah, like a thin vinyl actually.
Yeah.
And literally not like a proper name board also. Even on the
Yeah.
outside.
This is actually a vinyl. It looks like, oh my god, it's painted or whatever. Take horizontal, take everything in vertical. So this is literally a vinyl film. You can see the bubbles here.
Like even the text is. It's not lit, it's not done properly. The even the sign
Very noisy actually out here.
small.
Signage is very
Like you
small.
can't even read somewhere from far.
But looking at the positive, I like the flooring, the
But I like
colors,
the color palette. I feel like
and even the umbrellas look actually quite nice.
yeah, the canopy is chic.
Even the fence actually, I'm liking.
I like the planters.
The planters are actually quite different and something I might have not seen anywhere. Pots are very nice. What we like about these French windows are the electric blue colors of these. So today, my friend says I'm going with the color palette of Janu.
It's at the moment and then
So my friend says, bol.
yeah, like you are complimenting the color theme of it
Yes.
with the electric blue
Yeah.
interior. So
I'm going with the greenery actually.
yeah, I am going with the blue beach shades. I
Yes.
think. Yeah,
Nice,
so we
classy
are-
and subtle.
Yeah, they are almost there.
So waiting to go inside. So we are finally inside, and we have ordered
Delhi chole
bhature and one
burger. What we had
black
suggested.
bean burger. And we saw the menu. The prices are very affordable. I'll show you through it.
Yeah,
And
average, like
they
what's
have,
going on.
yeah, they have good
Interior is quite
interiors
retro.
are quite retro. Even the music, if you can hear, "Hum Pe Jaisi Khadi Hai" song is playing. Not a good vibe. I thought it might be
No,
something
the
very
interior
classy.
is warm. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's just that
Music is a bit off.
they could work with the playlist because it's too hit and hard.
And look at this light. I'm in W Hotel. Yeah, W के नीचे कुछ है. Interiors are very nice. That's where we are sitting. And their menu for drinks is very nice actually. Quite interesting. And our chole bhature is here. Jain chole bhature. So we are trying the nice.
Actually, So you get that.
Salad is normal.
Yeah, but first you eat fiber, then you eat.
कितने सा फाइबर खाता हूँ इतना
How is that like?
I mean, this is good. It's not wow.
Yeah, I mean,
Chole, this burger would be say 6.5 on 10.
not bad. Not bad.
How much would you rate the burger?
I think 8. 8-ish. 8.5.
Actually, it's good. After
Yeah.
eating more, I felt it's good.
And it's like quite mini, so for 2 it's good. Like
Perfect.
half an hour. Yeah.
Portion is perfect.
Yeah. I think only in Chole I feel that it was lesser quantity comparatively. I don't know if they could refill it or
Honestly, I can't make out this is gem burger. It's that good. So this burger was quite wholesome.
no, I'm saying like the meal in general.
Meal in general.
Like after having chole, this both.
For two
it
people,
was
we are quite full now.
full.
That's the rasmalai matcha. That's the dessert menu. Let's try the rasmalai matcha. Cheers, Kasam. Cheers.
Like
It's a proper rasmalai thing. Matcha.
matcha.
Less matcha, yes.
Yeah,
Matcha
it's
flavor
more
is
like
nowhere.
foam. Matcha foam it is. So maybe
Yeah, a lot of
probably.
अच्छा, they have written foam.
No.
Mix करना थोड़ी.
No, now if you mix it, you will feel that you are drinking matcha.
No, mix balance thing.
So is it that I just.
Mix it.
But it tastes like matcha.
Nache.
I'll just have half of it. As usual, classic. It's my favorite rasmalai. So
Normal. There's no matcha inside this.
of course, but this tastes like matcha
Yeah. After mixing,
fully. So non-matcha lover, beware.
it's quite sweet though.
I didn't feel that sweet actually. No, I was talking about my Jaipur trip where we had this famous spot where it's like there are like a food trucks. Yeah, and their chole and mirchi was too good, I must say. And they give like that the flat bread kulcha wala thing.
Jaipur food is amazing.
It's very good. I just love the vibe of the city.
Jaipur.
I am like fully Rajasthani food. I love that vibe. Like I could tell me. And they had really good like this big Raj Kachori also. Like it was so filling.
Raj Kachori here was also looking quite nice. I just hope it is not sweet,
Yeah.
which I thought
Yeah.
it might.
I think the quantity is quite good comparatively.
Actually, the theme here is North and South Indian. So North ka they have all the Delhi, Punjabi,
Yeah,
white ka
fully.
food, like all the chaats and
Dahi bhalle
kulche,
and Raj Kachori.
and a little bit of Western they've added like nachos, pesto.
I think just to balance out the modern.
Yeah, the
Modern.
cuisine. So basically, all age groups can eat. And South ka they've added all the bene dosa and all that they do in their
Hot
blondie,
idli or something.
etc. What they are doing in blondie only. So
I think so.
basically,
I
it's
think
a
if someone
Northeast-
doesn't get the table there, here
Okay,
also
come
people.
here.
Yeah, here you get more
I
more
feel
options.
Rajpura ka North ka they've added here and Shilpa Shetty ka South ka. So it's a mix and they've made Chanu. This is what I think.
That's a good story.
And बीच में बच्चों का नाचो से वो घुसा दिया.
Yeah, I think it's for the youngsters.
So Complete music.
Yeah, I
For
think
us was
everything from their
disappointment.
each place they have added in this Janu.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you can just get everything here.
Yes.
It's a family.
It's a family restaurant, you said.
खाली ऑर्डर लीटर नहीं रबड़ी बनाएगा
It took you half
Half
an
an
hour
hour
to
to
make
make
half liter of
रबड़ी
Yeah,
and it's
because you
such a
have to
time-taking
milk,
task.
right? Milk
Yeah.
and what else?
That's it.
So we are finally trying the apple jalebi with rabdi. That's the rabdi. And that's the jalebi. Cheers. And a dip ka.
Of course. Too thick.
Hey. Very heavy.
I understood. It's basically apple piece and then they have coated
There's apple
fried.
inside.
So it's not like a proper traditional jalebi basically. It's like with a twist. So not bad actually.
So heavy. Nobody
For
had
kids
it.
it's good. But we can't eat so much after like so much of food.
It's very heavy. It's nice. Honestly, for me, I don't like jalebi so it's on legs of the table are also quite interesting. And the bar has yeah, chic and modern. Ceiling is also quite different. So the joinery of it. And here inside we can clearly see that this is not wood, it's paint. And basically on white paint they've just put brown paint with a kind of a brush that gives a wooden effect. We like the fabric also actually. I mean it's alright, it's retro.
Yeah.
I like the chair actually.
Yeah, I like this chair. This chair.
This chair, yeah, and this chair is different. It has wooden hands.
And did you like this?
And then there are these pillows that they've added, kind of retro, which is also neatly table in front of us, which is also like, I mean, it's giving that warmth, and they've actually used good material for the tables and chairs and benches. And here, I think they've used wallpapers.
Did you take?
That's all from the review for Janu by Blondie. More reviews coming up from Mescalita and Borivali at Sky City Mall. Stay tuned, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.